Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find the coolant temperature sensor, fuses and relays on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we will explain where you can find these fuses relays. We will also guys talk about hidden fuse boxes. This is information that can potentially guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. For the coolant temperature sensor guys, please do not waste your money to buy new sensor until you test your coolant temperature sensor. It's quite easy. We'll have video on the channel how to test coolant temperature sensor on a car. It will teach you how to do that, but also check the connector, make sure it's not loose. We've seen where people worked on the car in the past, didn't push it all the way in, came loose, that's why it wasn't working. And another thing, connector could be contaminated with engine oil or coolant. We've seen that happen quite often as well. Now let's explain where the fuses and relays are located on that generation Chevy Equinox for the coolant temperature sensor. Quick advice from us that can save you a lot of money in the future guys. There will be hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Let's go ahead and open the hood facing the engine guys. Here on the right side now you see that's the brake fluid reservoir. This is the main engine fuse box. We have one tap with clips here that you need to press, one on this side, and lift the cover up underneath. You're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked today. These fuses are for engine management system. Which one exactly it is, it's hard to tell, there is very limited information, but if you have problems with that sensor, always check these fuses. And the first fuse that we need to start with is fuse number 20, right here. Then you need to check fuse 21, right here. Next guys, you will need to locate fuse number 37, 38, right here, these two fuses. Go ahead and find guys also fuse 41 and 42, very important fuses here too. Next we need to check fuse 52 right here and 53, which is the fuse under that relay, that 10 amp fuse right there. Next check fuse 46 and relay 66 is super important relay. That will be the one that you need to check if you have problems with that sensor. That's what we always do, we start with the fuses because it could be quite simple fix. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.